हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है द ऑनेस्ट वुड कटर। इसको पढ़ेंगे इसको ऑनेस्ट HONEST, इसको पढ़ेंगे ऑनेस्ट वुड कटर WOODCUTTER, इसको पढ़ेंगे वुड कटर। अब चलिए पैराग्राफ को देखते हैं। वंस अपॉन अ टाइम, ONCE वंस, UPON अपॉन, TIME, इसको पढ़ेंगे टाइम, IN इन, स्मॉल, SMALL स्मॉल, VILLAGE, इसको पढ़ेंगे विलेज, NEAR नियर, डेंस, DENSE डेंस, फॉरेस्ट, FOREST, इसको पढ़ेंगे फॉरेस्ट। There lived, THERE there, LIVED, इसको पढ़ेंगे lived, a poor, POOR poor, but honest, HONEST honest woodcutter, every day, EVERY, इसको क्या पढ़ेंगे every, इसको DAY day, he went, WENT, इसको क्या पढ़ेंगे went, to the forest to chop वुड, CHOP, इसको क्या पढ़ेंगे चॉप, और इसको पढ़ेंगे WOOD वुड, और इसको फॉरेस्ट पढ़ेंगे FOREST फॉरेस्ट। विच ही, WHICH विच ही, सोल्ड, SOLD सोल्ड, इन द मार्केट, MARKET मार्केट, टू अर्न, EARN, इसको पढ़ेंगे अर्न, हीज लिवलीहुड, LIVELIHOOD, इसको पढ़ेंगे लिवलीहुड, दो, THOUGH, इसको पढ़ेंगे दो, ही वॉज पुअर, POOR पुअर, ही बिलीव्ड, BELIEVED, इसको क्या पढ़ेंगे बिलीव्ड, इन ऑनेस्टी, HONESTY ऑनेस्टी, एंड हार्ड वर्क। अब चलिए इस पैराग्राफ को यहाँ से यहाँ तक एक साथ रीड करके देखते हैं। वंस अपॉन अ टाइम, इन अ स्मॉल विलेज नियर अ डेंस फॉरेस्ट, देयर लिव्ड अ पुअर बट ऑनेस्ट वुड कटर। आप भी मेरे साथ रीड करिए। अगर आप भी रीड करेंगे तो इससे आपकी भी रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस हमारे साथ होती जाएगी। तो आप भी हमारे साथ जो भी सारे वर्ड्स है, जैसे ये एवरीडे है, तो इसको आप भी मेरे साथ प्रोनाउंस कीजिए। इससे आपकी क्या होगी कि प्रोनाउंसिएशन भी स्ट्रॉन्ग होगी। तो चलिए आगे देखते हैं। ही वेंट टू द फॉरेस्ट टू चॉप वुड विच he sold in the market to earn his livelihood, though he was poor. He believed in honesty and hard work. अब चलिए नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ को देखते हैं। वन डे, ONE वन, DAY डे, WHILE while, CUTTING, इसको क्या पढ़ेंगे कटिंग अ ट्री, TREE ट्री, नियर अ रिवर, RIVER, इसको क्या पढ़ेंगे रिवर, हीज, AXXE एक्स, accidentally, ACCIDENTALLY accidentally, slipped, SLIPPED, इसको क्या पढ़ेंगे slipped, from his hands and fell into the deep water. The woodcutter, WOODCUTTER, इसको पढ़ेंगे woodcutter, was heartbroken, HEART heart, BROKEN broken, heartbroken, because BECAUSE, इसको क्या पढ़ेंगे because his ex was his only, ONLY only, tool, TOOL tool, for earning, EARNING earning, a living, LIVING living. He sat by the river bank, RIVER river, BANK bank, river bank, and began, BEGAN began, to weep, W-E-E-P, weep. Suddenly, S-U-D-D-E-N-L-Y, suddenly. The river goddess, G-O-D-D-E-S-S, इसको पढ़ेंगे goddess. Appeared, A-P-P-E-A-R-E-D, appeared. Before him, B-E-F-O-R-E, इसको क्या पढ़ेंगे before him. Seeing his sorrow, S-E-E-I-N-G, seeing his sorrow, S-O-R-R-O-W, sorrow. She asked, why are you crying? C-R-Y-I-N-G, crying. Dear woodcutter. अब चलिए इसको यहाँ से यहाँ तक रीड करके देखते हैं एक बार. One day, while cutting a tree near a river, his axe accidentally slipped from his hands and fell into the deep water. The woodcutter was heartbroken because his axe was his only tool for earning a living. He sat by the river bank and began to weep. Suddenly, the river goddess appeared before him. Seeing his sorrow, she asked, why are you crying, dear woodcutter? अब चलिए नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ को देखते हैं. The woodcutter explained, E-X-P-L-A-I-N-E-D, इसको क्या पढ़ेंगे explained his plight, इसको P साइलेंट है, इसको लाइट पढ़ेंगे L-I-G-H-T, लाइट. To the goddess, G-O-D-D-E-S-S, goddess. Moved, M-O-V-E-D, moved by his honesty, H-O-N-E-S-T-Y, इसको पढ़ेंगे honesty. The goddess decided to help him. She dived, D-I-V-E-D, dived into the river and came, C-A-M-E, came up with a shiny, S-H-I-N-Y, shiny, golden, G-O-L-D-E-N, इसको क्या पढ़ेंगे golden, eggs, X-E, eggs. Is this, T-H-I-S, these your eggs? She asked. The woodcutter looked at the, L-O-O-K-E-D, इसको पढ़ेंगे looked at the golden eggs and said, no, that is not mine, M-I-N-E, mine. अब चलिए इसको यहाँ से यहाँ तक रीड करके देखते हैं एक बार. The woodcutter explained his light to the goddess. Moved by his honesty, the goddess decided to help him. She dived into the river and came up with a shiny golden eggs. Is this your eggs? She asked. The woodcutter looked at the golden eggs and said, no, that is not mine. अब चलिए नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ को देखते हैं. The goddess dived again, A-G-A-I-N, again, and this time brought up, B-R-O-U-G-H-T, इसको क्या पढ़ेंगे brought up, a silver, S-I-L-V-E-R, silver eggs. She asked, is this your eggs? The woodcutter shook his head and replied, no, that too is not mine. अब चलिए इसको यहाँ से यहाँ तक रीड करके देखते हैं. The goddess dived again and this time brought up a silver eggs. She asked, is this your eggs? The woodcutter shook his head and replied, no, that too is not mine. अब चलिए नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ को देखते हैं. फाइनली, FINALLY, इसको क्या पढ़ेंगे? फाइनली द गॉडेस dived, DIVED, dived one more, MORE, more time, and retrieved, RETRIEVED, इसको क्या पढ़ेंगे? retrieved the woodcutters old rusty, RUSTY, rusty iron, IRON, iron axe. She held, HELD, held it out to him and asked, is this your axe? The woodcutter face lit up, LIT, इसको क्या पढ़ेंगे? lit up, and he exclaimed, EXCLAIMED, explained, yes, 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 that is my axe, thank you so much. अब चलिए इसको यहाँ से यहाँ तक रीड करके देखते हैं. Finally, the goddess dived one more time and retrieved the woodcutter's old rusty iron axe. She held it out to him and asked, is this your axe? The woodcutter's face lit up and he exclaimed, yes, that is my axe, thank you so much. अब चलिए नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ को देखते हैं. The goddess was pleased, PLEASED, इसको क्या पढ़ेंगे? pleased with his honesty, 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 HIS, his, WITH, इसको पढ़ेंगे with, as a reward, 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 she gave him, GAVE, इसको क्या पढ़ेंगे? gave him all 3 axes, THREE, 3, AXES, axes, the gold, 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 the silver, 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 and his original, ORIGINAL, original iron axe, IRON, iron, AXEX. The woodcutter was overjoyed, 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 and thanked, THANKED, thanked the goddess who wholeheartedly, WHOLE, whole, और इसको पढ़ेंगे HEARTEDLY, heartedly, तो इसको पूरे को क्या पढ़ेंगे? wholeheartedly. He returned, RUTURNED, returned to the village, VILLAGE, इसको क्या पढ़ेंगे? village, and continued, CONTINUED, continued his life, 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 always, 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 staying, STAYING, staying true to his values, VALUES, values. अब चलिए इसको यहाँ से यहाँ तक रीड करके देखते हैं एक बार. The goddess was pleased with his honesty. As a reward, she gave him all 3 axes, the gold, the silver, and his original iron axe. The woodcutter was overjoyed and thanked the goddess wholeheartedly. He returned to the village and continued his life, always staying true to his values. Moral of the story, इस पैराग्राफ को चलिए देखते हैं. THE, the, MORAL, इसको क्या पढ़ेंगे? moral of the story, 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 is that, 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 honestly, HONESTY, honesty, is always rewarded, REWARDED, इसको क्या पढ़ेंगे? rewarded, और इसको honestly, being, BEING, being truthful, 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 and sincere, 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 brings, 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 blessings, 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 and trust, 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 even, EVEN, इसको क्या पढ़ेंगे, even in difficult situations, DIFFICULT, difficult situations, SITUATIONS, इसको पढ़ेंगे situations। अब चलिए इसको यहाँ से यहाँ तक रीड करके देखते हैं एक बार। The moral of the story is that honesty is always rewarded. Being truthful and sincere brings blessings and trust even in difficult situations। इसी के साथ में वीडियो अपना कंप्लीट होता है। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए। चैनल पर नए हो तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब भी कर लीजिए। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।